Hi, this is Sebastian from socialanxietysolutions.com. I'm a former social anxiety disorder sufferer and I'm a social confidence coach since 2009. I've been helping people overcome their social anxiety and feel calm and relaxed and free and liberated and at ease in social situations. And today, it's Testimonials Tuesday, and I have something cool for you. What is it? A testimonial, of course. All right, so what's in that testimonial? Let me pre-frame it a little bit. So this testimonial, it's not a testimonial actually. It's a comment that was made, which is like evidence of the effects that this work has when you start doing it. So this was a comment that was made under one of the coaching series that I do or that I have done and that I have available. So I coached a lady named Masa, and I coached her for 5 coaching sessions of 90 minutes each. But I did that live so people could watch it, observe it, follow along and tap along with it. And then I took the replays and put that into, a product that people could buy. And then people can make comments under it from what their experience was, or if they have any questions, or so a bit of community forms there. So the comment is from under that video. Here we go, I'll read it to you now. Thank you so much for sharing that, Seb and Masha. It was exactly what I needed to see and tap along with. Seb, the mix of explanation and working with what came up was inspiring. You instill such confidence. I've done a lot of work on my SEEs, my significant emotional experiences or negative memories, and while I had made some progress, I'm still triggered by certain things which seem to come from a core experience before my SEEs, before my negative memories. Recently, I had realized that the core of my social anxiety was also due to a critical figure in my childhood, but I had such confusion or resistance about where to begin. So Masha's story was a beautiful piece of synchronicity for me. I resonated with almost all of it, from the people-pleasing to the my body just cries a lot, to the owning my awesome while alone but not with others, to missing the caring, loving figure. Much admiration to Masha for being so brave and sharing so much and for crying on screen. And between brackets, that moves me every time and really helps me connect to my sadness too. And while my relationship to the critical person is different, I've had some great insights as to where to go from now. It was only this morning I watched and tapped, so results in the real world remain to be seen. But many thanks to you both, I loved it. P.S. The fact that I'm posting this without stewing over it for hours shows that progress has been made. Alright, hope you enjoyed this week's Testimonial Tuesdays. Sign up here if you're watching this on video or listen in for the next podcast episode. It's Sebastian from socialanxietysolutions.com signing off for now. Bye.